Hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend Darius. You all are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk to you about Moto G Stylus 5G, and these are the rumored slash leaked specs. So without further ado, let's quickly get started. For the display you'll be getting is the IPS LCD 6.8 inches display. One thing is that in the OS you'll be getting is the clean Android OS, which is known by stock Android 11, yeah, out of the box, which is a really great thing over here. Talk about the processor you'll be getting is the Snapdragon 480. It's a 5G processor. Don't mean it's small, so yeah, it is capable of good things. It's a 5G. If we talk about the GPU you'll be getting is the Adreno 619. If we talk about the battery you'll be getting is the 5000 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you'll be getting is the 10 watt power adapter. There is only one color rumored up right now, which is a black color. Yeah, one thing is that, wait for the opinion section. You'll be getting is the Type-C 2.0 for the charging. If we talk about the RAM and ROM, you'll be getting is the 6 plus 128, 8 plus 256 variants over here. Talk about the cameras, you'll be getting is the 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, which is a quad camera setup. If we talk about the 48 megapixel aperture is of f1.7, it's a wide sensor. The second camera, which is the ultra wide sensor, aperture is of f2.2. The third camera, which is of macro sensor, it's the 5 megapixel sensor, aperture of f2.2. And the fourth camera, which is the depth camera, 2 megapixel sensor, 2.4 aperture. If we talk about the camera on the front side, you'll be getting is the 16 megapixel single kit setup, which is of aperture 2.0. It's a wide sensor. If we talk about the video recording on the rear side, 4K at 30 fps. On the front side, 16 megapixel is the 1080p at 30 fps. We have to talk about Motorola's Moto G Stylus 5G. What does the stylus stand for? The pen inside the box, or you can say the phone has the pen. Yep, it is rumored up. This phone is rumored up. The specs are also rumored up. And one thing I want to tell you about the 480 processor, which is a Snapdragon 480, is a 5G budget processor. Make sure you know that it's a budget processor, so phone gonna be coming in the budget. So what you'll be getting is the 48 megapixel quad camera setup, 5000 mAh, 90 Hz hidden camera, but it is a capable of 90 Hz. Also you'll be getting is the IPS LCD. So most companies do that IPS LCD with the 90 Hz. So that thing, make sure you note it. And 480 is also a good processor for average gaming, so I kinda say it's a good phone. We have covered a smartphone from, I kinda say, Vivo. Make sure you check it out that video. It is also having a Snapdragon 480 processor. So if I have to talk about this smartphone, one thing I want to tell you, it's not apart from this, but it's a part of this smartphone. Beginning is the 5 megapixel macro sensor. Many companies such as Samsung have taken that oath of 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth and macro sensor, but there are too many companies I don't know in the flagship and in the very budget segment. They told it quad camera setup and they add this 2 cameras, which is kind of really annoying camera setup. I kind of say no one uses it, and some people don't know how to use that camera also. So I kinda say, if you are thinking to make a smartphone, don't add this. Add telephoto or anything else, but don't add these 2 cameras. And if you want to add this, make sure you make it as a higher aperture or higher megapixel. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, the phone is good in its own way, and it's gonna be a budget smartphone. So stylus 5G, 5000 mAh battery, 90 Hz. I didn't game it up, but kinda say it's going to be coming. So this four things are really good. Also the quad camera setup, it's nice, 48 megapixel, and kinda say the phone is good. By the way, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, this is your friend DRS signing home. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay with tech. Peace out.